Everybody, thank you so much for joining me back again for another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Canva to create a desktop or a laptop background. So what you simply want to do first is go to Canva and you can type in desktop wallpapers. The reason why I love Canva is because it comes with so many different options for you that are already built into the system. So to be honest with you, we can use some of these pre-made filters that are already here. Or we can create our own. And right now what we're going to do is just create our own. All right, boom. So now I'm here. What I want to do is go ahead and get a little vibey aesthetic in the background. So what I did was earlier was I downloaded a few items off Pinterest. And what I did was I went ahead and save them to a folder here. So then we're going to go ahead and just add them. So let's change the background color first. Let's change this to a beigeish color. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I did add some palettes here as well too. So let's go with this one. Yeah, I like this one better. And if you want to change it, you can as well. Let's see, any other options? This one? Nah. Yeah, I like this one. So this is perfect. So now what we're going to do is go to elements. And when we go to elements, we're going to head and get, I love the rounded square shape. We're going to see if we can find that here. Here we go. Drag that bad boy over here. I actually like these colors together, but let's see. So these are going to be the different sections that I have. So I'm just going to copy, paste. Uh-oh. Copy, right. And then I can change it up a little bit as well. So maybe I want to create a few sections. So I'm thinking I want to create one for my to-do list to start my YouTube videos. We'll put the YouTube videos on this side. And then I'll put my to-do list down here. And then I'll put work stuff. No. Business stuff here. Work stuff here. And then business work to do. Maybe one for videos. Whoops. All right. So this is cool. So I got a little bit extra space here. So what I'm going to do is go back to that folder that I had before, and I'm going to see if I can upload. Don't want to add them there. Okay. So we're going to use this a little bit later. I do like that. That's cute though. Let's do this one. Okay. That's cute. I like that there. So remember with these, what you can do is if you want to make a little bit more transparent, you can. So I'm going to change that to let's say 80. I actually don't like the color of these, so let's see if I can change the color to, actually, I like that. Okay. We're going to change them. The bottom says change all. I like that. So now it's time for me to add a text. And let's see what text is best for me. I'm going to create it in a subheading because I don't want it to be too big.
I want something that's legible and I want it to be bold. I like this. There we go. So this one, I'm going to make my, I'll do work here. Work. And then here.
Perfect. Beautiful. All right. So I love that. So now I'm going to just save this, download it. And you can also change the title up here as well too. So now that this is downloaded, to set desktop picture. All right. This next part of the video, I'm just going to show you how we can create a really cool vision / mood board. I use this as a project for my students at school, and we call it a vision board, but you can really put whatever you want on it. You can use just pictures. Like I said, I downloaded some pictures from Pinterest, so you can use those or whatever best fits how you're feeling. So for mine, what I'm going to do is just add a few pictures and quotes and just fill it up based on, how I'm feeling or what I want to look at on a regular basis. So I did choose, and I'm going to put them anywhere I want to overlap as well too. I'm all about self-care, fashion. These colors are really a vibe for me too. Do like a little fun text. What do I want to say? Keep pushing. Actually, I'll do faith it till you make it. And we are going to make this probably a little bit smaller and change the font to something a little cursive. Let's see. Nah, don't want that one. Yeah, like that. So now what I'm going to do is just slide this way so it can fit right on in here. Yeah, I like that. Cute. As a gentle reminder for myself. I'll make her a little bit bigger. Push this out a little bit. There you go. Let's see if I can add another picture. There's a lot of great templates in here too. So if you don't specifically have something that represents you, that might be okay. I like this one. These rings here say, I can do all things and fearfully and wonderfully made. Perfect. So that's my board. Uh-oh, her face is covered up. Let's bring it forward. Bring this one forward. There we go. Beautiful. This is something you can go ahead and download, and you can save it as a PNG or JPEG file, and you can save it to your desktop too. Like I mentioned earlier, if you do have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. I would love to see some of the boards that you've created or some of your desktop backgrounds. Feel free to send me a picture. I would love to see it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and help me grow my channel. Have a great day.